into a national priority list that is submitted by the Environmental Protection Agency that is under the American Society of Testing Materials, specifically going through the standards E11527-13. So if once these contaminations are too severe, as I explained before, they're gonna be going under the Environmental Protection Agency Superfund program, which is formally known as CERCLA, that stands for Comprehensive Environmental Response and Compensation Liability Act, which is basically creating a tax for industry, chemical industries, and also petroleum industries to respond to any hazardous or potential hazardous that may endanger the public health and the environment. However, if someone, an individual or a business, wants to purchase commercial real estate and want to avoid the a potential circular liability, then they must qualify for a landowner liability protection that is going to be under the circular standards.
So what we did is we subdivided the areas into 8 areas, A1 through A8. So this is the environmental assessment areas that we will be focusing on. The property limits are what separates the areas. So let's take a look at Area 1. Area 1 consists of 435,000 square feet. It's valued at $62.7 million. It's owned by Broadstone, and the concrete parking lot is to the north of the property, is utilized by the WIC Theater. In the 1975s, what we had in this area is the Kmart, and we also had a truck company. So for Area 2, we have the WIC Theater. The WIC Theater is composed of 30,000 square feet. It is valued at $4.5 million. The owners are the Bank of Legacy of Florida. What we found on the site is actually a diesel fuel tank, which is located to the west of the structure. And in the 1950s, what we had here is the Tropic Garden Mobile Lodge. For Area 3, we have the Boca Crown condos. Northwest of this territory, we have a garbage which may cause a runoff into the C-15 canal. For Area 4, we have the undeveloped property. It's composed of approximately 65,000 square feet. In the 1940s, what we had here is the pineapple fields, which is today known as the banana patch of Boca. And we have possible DDT, which is a pesticide which was used formerly around the United States. The area is valued at $750,000 and is owned by Heartwood 45 LLC. We also found a lot of illegal disposal on site, and we also found electrical post, which proposes that we had a road on this site. For Area 5, again, undeveloped property owned by the same owners, Heartwood 45 LLC. We found a lot of illegal disposal again. It's composed of 22,000 square feet and valued at $150,000. For Area 6, we have the Piano Gallery, which is composed of approximately 50,000 square feet, and it's valued at $1.7 million. We also found several oil stains on the concrete parking lot, which may cause some runoff for the stormwater. For Area 7, we have the undeveloped property again, owned by the same owners, Heartwood 45 LLC. For this area, we actually found tires. We found an old propane tank on site, and as you can see here in the top right picture, we also, this place is composed of 46,000 square feet and is valued at $370,000. Lastly, we have Roman's Construction Company. This area, we found 2 storage tanks, one below the structure and one just to the east of the structure. This area is approximately 26,000 square feet, and it's owned by BG&P Associates. So what we did for the environmental records is we created 4 limits.